Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this, it's FIDUCIal Home, and it should be a shoe rack. So let's check this out and we'll see how it goes together, see how complicated it is and how it works. So here's our instructions. Let me move that up close so you guys can see what it is here. And then here's the remaining ones. So it looks like it's got 9 steps to it. And we have a bunch of connectors here. And we have a bunch of poles. I guess these are going to be for each of the shelves. And we have some middle-sized poles and some really long poles. So we have a lot of different poles here. And then we have, I'm going to guess, these are going to be a lot of the shelving pieces between them. So going to how it's all going to go. And then this here as well. So that's how we're going to have to put all this thing together and figure it all out. So I'll put you guys down and we'll time lapse it as I put it together on the floor. Okay, so I finished it up, and this is what it looks like here. Here's my doggy. I'll show you guys. So this is it here. It's got this little fabric thing around it, clipped on. I kind of left it open just so the lighting could get through, so you guys could see it. But it's got these little round clips that'll just clip those on. But you see, it's tall. I mean, I'm almost 6 feet tall, and it's about as tall as me. So I guess it's about 6 feet tall. So that's what it looks like here. Totally sturdy shelves. I'm gonna try to hang it up and put some like t-shirts and things like that in there. So we'll see how that goes. But I like it. Thumbs up for me.